Hello folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts here in Surprise, Arizona, dealing with a leak that's saturated a wall flooring to the point where there's some fungi growth as well as causing some major indoor air quality issues. In fact, our customers complaining about respiratory symptoms, and the doctor even stated that there's definitely something going on in his home. So just wanted to go ahead and give you the insight of what we do and the steps that we take to protect you, your family, your home, as well as getting to the source. So first thing we do is we'll go ahead and lay all our protective carpeting on your hardwood floors, such as a nice thick padding like this. Alright folks, so the first thing we take is our hydro sensor. This here will actually pick up any type of water saturation in your material, such as your drywall flooring. So what we do is we go ahead and penetrate into the floor. As you can see, that's 100% saturated, meaning that the water from the shower came in through. So we know that this area is definitely saturated with water. Here as well. So after mapping everything, all the affected areas, that's going to go ahead and give us an indication as to what we need to demo and what type of dry down equipment. So let's take you to that next step. All right, folks, so there's two different types of leaks. There's a sudden bursted leak or a very long-term leak that's possibly caused major mold or fungi. So this is considered a long-term leak, and there's a totally different protocol that you have to set up for that. You have to assume that there is mold or fungi growth in the wall. So if we're using that approach, then we're going to go ahead and build containments to protect the indoor air quality. So the first thing we do is we go ahead and tape off the register. And as you can see here, if we're demoing, we don't want the dust going into the ductwork. Second thing we do is we go ahead and put a plastic barrier on this doorway here with a zipper door. We'll show you what that looks like when we're done. But what that's going to do is allow us to demo and not have any cross-contamination whatsoever. All right, folks, now you can see that we built the containment. And now we're ready to demo, so come on in. That's good. All right, folks, so now that we've opened everything up, now we're ready to do the leak detection test. We actually found that the fiberglass shower stall is compromised. Water is seeping through the seams here, flooding over. So the next step is, after we've detected where the source is, I'm going to go ahead and spray some antimicrobial throughout all the affected areas. And what this is going to do is create a safe environment for us to continue doing the demo work. More importantly, protecting the indoor air of the home. So now that we've demoed everything upstairs, we're not done yet. You know, with people that are suffering from really acute allergens and respiratory problems, we don't always just stop at the leak. We actually take a look at your ductwork system, your HVAC system. One little secret that we've discovered that causes major indoor air qualities, even in a home that is spotless, is a mold called Aspergillus penicillium. Now I'm going to show you right now, this is a perfect example of why it's so important to maintain the coils underneath your refrigerator. Take a look at what we've discovered. Look at the amount of debris that's collected of years and years of just dust. This is a major source of indoor air quality issues here, releasing into our air. So the best thing to do is just remove the panel as we did and just take a HEPA vac. Take a HEPA vacuum and really get in there and suck all of that out. The other thing you can do too is go ahead and fog with an antimicrobial. We'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. going to go inside all those little crevices that you can't reach and disinfect everything. So what you want to do is just get some antimicrobial, a fogger, as well as a safe mask. Now you're ready. Everything, we're going to go ahead and set up our dry down equipment, which is going to consist of one dehumidifier. Dehumidifier is great because it extracts any moisture, and then the air movers is what's going to circulate the air. You want to leave your equipment for a minimum of 3 days, and as well as maybe going all the way to 5 days, just depending on how well or saturated the material is. So just keep that in mind, minimum of 3 days. Well, hopefully that gave you some insight on what we do here when it comes to your leaks and finding them, as well as putting in the right protocol to protect you and your family. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, thanks for watching.